Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on tangent ratio worksheets. This video presents two worksheets on the tangent ratio. We've had a lesson on this very topic, so if you have any trouble with any of these questions, on the last slide there is a link. If you click on the link, it will take you to the lesson and it will help you to solve these questions. I'll leave this particular video on, or this particular slide on, say for about a minute or so, but you can pause the slide for as long as you like. I'll move on to the next slide now, and here it is. Again, I'll leave this on for a minute or so before I move on to the final slide, but you can pause it for as long as you like. Okay, I'll go on to the last slide now, and you're very welcome to click on the link that's available if you wish to go to the lesson.